if you're writing any sort of code, eventually you're going to need some help. It's not possible. It happens to the best of us. We can't remember every single function signature out there. Just not possible. If you want to stay productive while you're coding without the temptation of hitting up YouTube or Twitter, use the built-in help. I got 5 different ways for you to get help in Python without leaving your terminal. First off is docstrings. In any Python REPL, you can access the docstring by calling help. Let's check that out. I'm going to open up my favorite REPL here, Ipython. I'm going to import pandas as PD, and I'm going to make a data frame cars, and then I want to look at the help. Jumping ahead a little bit. I want to look at the help for cars.rolling. So we'll call help cars.rolling. This is the built-in help. Gives us a little pager. We can hit J and K to go down with J, up with K. We can use Control D to go page down, Control U to page up. We can slash to search for things like window, N to go to the next occurrence of window, capital N to go backwards. Notice it gives us the function signature here, gives us all our arguments with their types, followed by the docstring that the developers gave us. Pandas is pretty good at documenting all their arguments and giving us down here some examples. No syntax highlighting, just black and white, but it gives us what we need in a lot of cases and keeps us rolling right along with our features, keeps us squashing bugs without the temptation of being unproductive outside the terminal. Probably a way I use more often is cars.rolling ? This gives us a colorized function signature. Other than that, it's pretty much the same as the built-in help. Main benefit for me here is it's just shorter by hitting ? And a lot of times you're like off doing things here and you're like, oh, I'm stuck and I can't remember what this rolling thing is. So it's easier just to tack on that ? there. Next up on our list is getting the source code. We'll first do the built-in way by importing inspect, and then we can, let's look here, we can print out inspect.getSource cars.rolling, and this gives us the source code for cars.rolling. Nothing fancy here, no syntax highlighting yet again, but you know, if you're working in a library that's not well documented, this might get you what you need. You might wonder, you know, how are they using some of these arguments? But the way I probably do it more often, yet again, cars.rolling, give it the double ? this time. And notice if we page on down, past the examples, we'll see the actual source code. And it's got some syntax highlighting, looks decent. And probably a bonus here, looking at the last thing, we first got a pip install rich. I've already got it installed, so I'm just going to cancel it, clear that out, and then we can, from rich, import inspect, and then we can inspect cars.rolling. We give it the help equals all, and that will make sure that gives us the full docstring. Without help equals all, we just get the first paragraph, just so you know. But look at this beautiful docstring. We have some nice syntax highlighting throughout, giving us the types here, on down to these examples. These links are clickable. Just beautiful. And that was all my favorite ways to get help without leaving my terminal. If you like this one, check out the YouTube channel or catch me live on Twitch. Or connect on Twitter. I'd love to hear from you.